Hello student, it's Tutor Man here. In this video, I'm going to be using Nano Banana 2 to create a high quality image of a product bundle. So I'll go into the software, just scroll down, and I'll need to do image edit, and then I'll enter my prompt, which I've done for my business blueprint. And then I'm going to scroll down a bit further. Okay, I'm going to add a reference image. Okay, I'm going to select that image of the product creator, and I'm going to add him now. And then I need to select the size of the image, which is going to be wide, 21:9, and the output will be PNG. I want 2K resolution, and then click on generate, and I'll be back in a moment to show you the result. And this is what it looks like. Very good. Okay, and then what I've done is I've uploaded it to my website on my sales page. Good or good? It's absolutely awesome. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to sharing or giving more value in the next video. Bye for now.